To remove the front I/O board, first remove the side cover, the top fan, or CPU water cooler, depending on whether the system is air or water cooled, and any graphics cards installed in the unit. Remove the motherboard bracket assembly from the unit. Detach the connectors from the front I/O board. Detach the 5 Phillips No. 2 screws that secure the front I/O board to the unit. Pull the front I/O board out of the PC. To replace the front I/O board, align the ports of the I/O board into their cutouts on the frame of the PC, pressing the screw holes on the board over the standoffs inside the PC. Secure the front I/O board to the PC with its 5 Phillips No. 2 screws. Replace all connectors to the front I/O board. Each connector is labeled to assist in correct replacement of the cables.